Good morning and welcome to Yap. Today I'm joined by
Fiend.
Connor,
Fiend.
the man that slept
Fiend.
9, 10, 12 hours.
9 hours last night, I think.
What time did you sleep?
7:30.
What time did you wake up?
About 4 o'clock, but like I was half awake and I just sat in my
When
bed
did you
and
get
was
up?
just like, when did I get up? 5:30.
That's low-key the best sleep, like when you wake up like 3 hours before you're meant to wake up. And you're just like... Did you go back to sleep or were you just like...
No, I was just like lying
dozing
there,
off?
but like,
Yo,
yeah. I was kind of asleep, but kind of not.
yo. It's the best sleep ever, man.
You know that state where you're just like,
Yeah.
yeah.
It'd be like a dead body. I have an update for all the fucking haters that hated on me for buying 4 Travis Scott tickets and saying, oh, hope you get fucking burnt with their tickets, blah, 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 blah. Guess what, mate? It's been rescheduled and I can now request a refund.
That's bullshit.
Why is that bullshit?
You know how lucky you just got? What do you mean?
Don't talk to me about luck, bro. For the last week, bro, I needed that, bro. No, but like... Obviously, we posted the clip of me buying of me explaining the Travis Scott ticket story. It got 5,000 views, and some of the comments, like 3 of them, I mean all of them. Well, 6 if you counting our responses. All of the comments were like on some, yeah, he deserves it. Would love to see a reseller get burnt. Fuck the reseller. Like he needs to die. He needs to go to hell. He's so handsome. What's his number? What's his at? Like, bro, like guys, chill out. But yeah, basically, I got an email yesterday. And due to logistical reasons, it's being pushed forward today. And so that means that with the Consumer Act Law Consumption Act 3, line 65, you can request to refund your tickets.
Yeah. And are you gonna refund them all? Are you gonna go?
I'm probably gonna refund 3 of them. Or, cause look, okay, here's what I'm thinking. Laura was like killing me for that, but so I have 4 tickets, right? 2 are from the same category. So the first 2 I'm gonna refund like right away, like I'll refund now. The other 2, the tickets I have specifically are sold out. So I'm thinking resell 1 and keep 1. But Laura's like, nah, you're being too greedy.
No. I think...
She's like, oh, count your blessings and stuff.
Yeah, I think you refund the 2, and then like you might wanna like give your other VIP one to like someone else.
Yeah? Who? Do you like know somebody?
Louder wants it.
Laura do want Travis Scott tickets? I feel like Laura would like...
Oh, now wants to go. She told me. Why are you laughing?
No, yeah, obviously, yeah. Now, so yeah, guys, we'll be doing a giveaway with everybody, and we'll. So comment down below if you want a Travis Scott ticket VIP. You'll have to spend the night with me though.
You have to get Yap TikTok to 1,000 followers and
Yeah.
the attention to 1 million.
Yep, and then Carter will get a Yap tattoo on his left cheek,
And Abdal will give you his Travis Scott ticket to 1 lucky.
and Carter will give you a kiss on the forehead. All right, there we go. So boom, Carter.
My knee hurts. Yes.
Wait, let me timestamp. Boom. Boom.
What a great long form, guys. Abdal was so great at
All right,
podcasting.
Carter.
Yes.
How's it going?
Good.
Talk to me about the NBA. What's going on? The season just started?
Season just started yesterday. Celtics are the best team in the league, and we're going back to back. Jason Tatum's gonna win MVP. Yeah. Not much else to say.
You reckon?
LeBron James is still the GOAT, playing with the Sun, which is insane.
How did Bronny play with his first... Okay, first of all,
He didn't score.
not 1 point.
He played about 2 minutes. 3
Okay,
minutes,
because
4
I
minutes.
saw obviously like now with like Bronny being on the field. Is it field? What do you call it?
Court.
Yeah, courtroom and that. Very familiar settings actually. No, but I think with
Well,
Bronny
you.
being what?
For you.
Huh?
Me.
You? Me? No, me. Me. No, don't be, bro. Me. I think, yeah, bro, he's been like scrutinized. Like, bro, every clip, I'm not even an NBA watcher, but every clip I see is just of Bronny and his misses or like his mistake or like him warming up on the bench, blah, blah, blah. Now, are they actually the first father-son duo to play in the NBA?
Together.
Okay.
There's been father and son duos that have played.
Yes. Not on the same team.
Yeah, but not together at the same time. This is the first time, like at together at the same time. This
Like
is the first
on
time.
the court, or
Yeah.
are you saying like they were on the squad?
Squad, NBA.
Okay.
Like there's been.
Because I kept seeing this like thing that was like it's the third in the league's history.
Yeah, because a dad played, and then 20 years later, a son played.
Okay, so
Oh,
it's
that's
the third time that's ever happened, but it's the first time that's ever happened that both are playing in the same court at the same time.
Yeah.
Damn, it's low-key inspirational, bro. Like
That is it. LeBron's the.
he's in his what 22nd season?
Yes.
He's 41,
40 this year.
40,
He's
Yeah.
been in the league longer than he hasn't.
longer than.
He hasn't.
Yo,
That's
crazy.
insane.
Yeah, because how old's Bronny? 18, 19?
19.
Yeah. A lot of people are saying he's not like ready for the league. What do you think about that?
I think he's ready.
Yeah.
He looks ready. I'm not gonna. He's not. He's not freaking LeBron James,
Yeah.
and he's not the best rookie in the draft. He's not the best
Because what
rookie in
pick
the
was he?
league.
He was like pick number
55.
55.
There's 60.
Damn. But do you think that's on purpose that like Bronny was like, not Bronny, like LeBron and like his agent were like pressuring teams not to pick them?
No,
You don't think so?
nobody really wanted. He has heart issues.
Yeah, I remember like what last year, like
Yeah,
he had like a
cardiac arrest. Like he
Yeah.
could have died.
get well soon, Bronny.
Like that's inspirational on his own thing. Bro had a heart attack, and now
came
he's in,
back.
now he's in the NBA.
Get well soon, Bronny.
Yeah, fly me out, face on.
Oh, the FaZe boys pulled up to the
Yeah.
Lakers game.
Ronaldo's a part of history.
Why?
He's in the photo
Which one?
with LeBron and when they checked into the game
Oh yeah,
at the same time.
Yeah. I saw
Ronaldo's
them-
in the back.
Yeah, I saw a couple of clips, bro.
Yeah.
Bro, FaZe is so good.
Saw Lacey emoting. IRL.
But it's low key cringe, like when you see it from the TV.
No, I thought it was hilarious.
Really? Like it's funny when you're seeing it through the camera of them, like their stream. But like when you see it from like a TV and it's just fucking four
No,
guys
I was
tweaking the fuck
watching.
out.
I was watching the game yesterday
Yeah.
and just seeing them sitting there and they're backwards, like just like Cardi.
Yeah.
It was hilarious.
So who's winning the league this year?
Celtics. We just tied the all-time freaking what's it? Most
3
threes in a
points.
game.
But you missed 13 in a row.
Yeah, straight to break the record. But those are bench players.
Yeah.
But still, Peyton Pritchard normally has about 3 threes a game and went 1 for 9.
Yeah. So you think Celtics actually got it back to back?
Yes. If you watch NBA and you watched last night, the Knicks who we played and beat by 30
Yeah.
are the second best team in the East.
Second best team. But the Lakers are the best team in the world actually. 17-time world champion.
Celtics 18 times.
Yeah, but we don't count the COVID one, you know?
That's the Lakers. The Lakers won with COVID.
Oh man.
The Mickey Mouse title.
So who do you think is the MVP this year?
Jason Tatum.
Damn, bro, it's gonna be the same. You're fucking boring, bro.
Jason Tatum.
What's this boring ass league?
He's
bro?
on a revenge tour.
Why? Who's he avenging?
Himself.
For what? But he is actually the OG clip farmer, bro.
Because
Last
he
year-
didn't win Finals MVP when he should have. He had a 30-point triple double in the game.
When was
game.
this?
Last year. And then he is the only person on the Olympics team that made the All NBA first team, right? He didn't play.
1 single minute.
He played a couple, but not in the.
Yeah, I remember his mom was bitching about it.
He didn't play enough. He should have played.
I mean, they still won the Olympics, right?
He would have made it easier.
Yeah.
He can defend 1 through 5.
Mm.
Can score everywhere.
Mm.
Can rebound. Can assist.
Mm.
He's the GOAT.
Damn. But like, it gets to a point where like you gotta stop glazing, you know.
I can't.
So LeBron or Jason?
What, all time or right now?
Both.
All time LeBron James, obviously.
Okay.
And then right now, Jason Tatum.
Is LeBron top 5 still?
Yeah.
Who's your top 5?
Jason Tatum. Nikola
Jalen
Jokic.
Brown.
Nikola Jokic. Luka Doncic. Giannis. LeBron James.
Right. Where's Bronny? Like, top 10?
486.
It's 300 players in the Fair. All right. Fair enough, man. Fair enough.
Okay, Celtics chat.
Fair enough. Keep talking, bro. I'm time stamping.
Jason Tatum, if you want to fly me out.
Whoa.
I love to come meet Alame. You know Alame?
Yeah, he's dating her.
Yeah. They just had a kid.
Nah.
Bro's living.
Nah, bro. I'm gonna fall down to my knees, bro. LMA is
I
like
won an NBA championship.
LMA is
Olympic,
like top 10 fan
Olympic
shit of my
gold
life.
medal. Cover of 2K. Had a baby with Alame.
That's crazy. I remember I saw that one clip where like this guy was like hating on Jason Tatum because he was dating LMA.
On the podcast?
Yeah, that's hard. But low-key, I feel that like LMA is very lovely.
Yeah, and you gotta hate on like objectively handsome guys sometimes too.
Yeah. Is he handsome, you think?
Definitely.
Wait, is he the person that did How to Tie a Tie?
Yes.
Oh, I know ball, guys. I know ball. Oh, crazy. All right.
Yeah, Jason Tatum hit my line.
Fair.
Fly me out.
Okay, so if you want to not be chronically online, what do you do?
Touch grass.
www.
Abdal doesn't know how to touch grass.
I have been touching grass, obviously.
Because you don't have a phone.
That's what I'm saying. So
When you had a phone, were you touching grass?
one time in like 3 years. Okay, for those that don't know, I don't have access to my phone. Long story short, if you want to know the full story about that, watch the episode that came out yesterday, the previous episode. Subscribe to the app also. Don't worry about it. No, I did it one time. Like basically, obviously, with the increased rise of like our screen time these days, I've made it a point where like what? What's funny?
Nothing.
No, tell me what's funny.
You know, when we're walking to like Abdal's car, he avoids the grass to go and make sure he goes onto the footpath.
No, it's just because the reason for that it's not because I'm chronically online. I'm like, ooh, it's not that. Do you know what it is?
You don't want
It's because there might be potentially dog poo on the grass.
He's scared of dogs.
I'm not scared of dogs.
He's scared of animals.
I am not scared of animals. I love nature.
He hates nature.
I've made it a point recently where like not recently, just like one weekend this year where like I went to like a really nice reserve like 2 hours outside of where I live, and bro, it was pretty nice.
2 hours.
Yeah, it was like a long drive. The drive was part of it because like the drive was like scenic and stuff.
Oh, cool.
But yeah, bro, you get to see like green and blue, like clouds and like especially when it's sunny, it's really cool. And yeah, like when's the last time you like actually plugged out plugged out of your phone and just really like touched grass / experienced nature like as it is?
Tuesday, when I had training.
There's grass there?
Yeah. But you said outside. I was literally in the water.
Yeah, so it's not grass.
Plugged out.
But it's not grass.
It's nature.
Is it? Wait, okay. Tell me about this. What was it called?
Waka Alma.
Okay, can you describe it? Because I actually don't know what that looks like or nothing. Like,
It's like...
is it in a pool or
No, it's in
like
a
an
lake.
ocean? A lake?
It's in a body of water.
But where is that? Is that a pool? Is it
It's
artificial
not a
made?
pool.
It's real life.
It's a lake. It's a beach. It can be wherever the fuck you
But
want.
where do you do
A
it?
lake.
You do it at a lake?
I think it's a lake.
Is there lakes in New Zealand?
Yeah.
Fair.
We have the biggest lake one of the biggest lakes in the world.
Rotorua Lake? That stinks, by the way, bro. I'm never going there ever in my life again.
Those are geysers. It's not a lake.
What's a geyser?
Oh my...
Geyser. FTC.
This guy just told us he loves nature.
No, obviously, like, some of it. Obviously, not all of it.
You don't like animals. Don't know what a geyser is.
What's a geyser? No, actually, what's a geyser?
It's the thing that like smells.
Oh, the bubbling, boiling thing.
Yeah, and then like hot water. It's hot, very hot.
Pretty hot.
I don't know how to explain it.
Okay,
It's a geyser.
tell me about the...
Waka Alma.
Yes, please.
We sit in a waka. You know what a waka is?
Now, I do now.
It's a canoe, a boat, a kayak.
Okay.
So like you can do V1s, which is singles.
Yep.
And I actually don't even know if you can do that. If you can do 2, 3, 4, 5, but I know
Yeah.
6 and a 12.
Right.
And you'll just sit in it as a team, and you.
Is that like in the
row the
Olympics?
waka? No.
Oh.
That's rowing.
Hmm?
Rowing is in the Olympics. It's different.
Damn, that's racist, Loki, right? It's probably because of the name. Maybe you guys need like a rebrand or something.
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah. All right. So, but no. When I say what's funny, bro? When I say like
Why
plugged
didn't we
out,
just talk about that?
when I say plugged out, I mean like the whole idea of like actually like. Because how long is that?
An hour and a half, 2 hours. But I thought it was 20 minutes. Brother, it's a long time. We're on the water. Brother.
I thought it was like a 15-minute warm up thing. Just like do it, get the blood pumping, go home. No, okay. But okay, when's the last time you've been to like real life nature? Like a beach or like a big reserve or like a park.
Beach.
Without the phone though. Like that's kind of what I did last time is that one, my phone was on like 18%, so the phone didn't make the 2 hour journey. So the phone had died when I made it there, right? And low key, that was one of the smartest thing I ever done because I actually like left my phone in the car and I literally just walked on like this like track thing for like an hour. The whole track was 3 hours long, but like seems like going back and forth. Would all look like walking 6 hours. I was wearing Air Forces for fuck's sake.
Yeah.
And no, dude, it was really nice because it was sunny. It was during the day. It was a little hot, and bro, for the last like 20 minutes of the walk, I even took my shirt off and like put it like tucked it into my shorts and like
Damn.
like bro, like NYC, like bro, yeah, just shit like that. So yeah, I think we are overwhelmed by technology.
100%.
Like actually, we do too much, and especially the last like 3-4 days that showed me like my life is generally a lot peaceful now. Because I literally have access to nothing. I can't log into anything, so it's just like, well, it's 10 p.m. I guess.
But I mean, you sit in front of a screen for 8 hours here.
Yeah, and so it's good. It's good to go home and disconnect because usually like I go home, I'm still on that same screen. It's just a lot smaller.
I love scrolling in TikTok on bed.
That's the thing. That's the thing. Like, bro, you scroll one time, it's like 11 p.m. Next thing you know, it's like 4 a.m. You're like, fuck. Where did the hours go?
It's too fun.
Yeah.
I love sitting in bed and just scrolling.
I think also, like, the thing about nature is that, like, I think there's, like, a study or something that was made about, like, how green and blue are the most two relaxing colors for the eyes.
Really?
That is. Blue and green.
That must be why I hate them. I hate the color blue and green.
Actual?
Yeah. The colors.
Why? What's your
I've
favorite
always
color?
hated the color green. Even though I'm a Celtics fan.
So what's your favorite color?
Black.
This guy's so, like, emo, bro. What the hell? Stop being like a little goth chick.
Black and white.
Yeah. But I think, bro, it's really good for, like, your mental health.
Being outside?
Yo.
Yeah.
Like,
At least 20 minutes a day, eh?
yeah.
Alright?
Yeah. Especially, like, these days, bro, like, we're so consumed by the internet. Like, it's actually nice. Like even we should do it now, like, in our lunch breaks and stuff. Like, shut the freaking phone down and go outside and literally just chill.
But the NBA's back.
Man, fuck you and the NBA. How about that?
No, yeah, I have realized that since I started sport again, and the first time in 5 years, training for 2 hours a day, on like 6 hours a week. Yeah, it changes your mindset.
All right, so I'll show you the ad that the WWF made an ad for
WWF?
Yo.
Jeff Hardy?
Steve Austin. Damn. No, so the WWF made a campaign ad for nature, innit? Have you watched this ad?
W Nature.
Have you watched the ad?
No.
All right, here's the ad. Let's watch the ad.
I'm going to write you a prescription. A daily dose of nature. Because the UK is facing a mental health crisis. But just 20 minutes in nature a day can help reduce anxiety, ease stress, and help boost our mood.
That's hard.
So, go get your daily dose and search WWF Prescription for Nature for more ways to let nature restore you.
See, but I hate that.
Why?
Why do you have to plug? Why? You just told me I gotta go get nature and be in the grass, and then you tell me to go look up your website.
But maybe they have the best 20 places to be outside in. You don't know that.
Bro, what the fuck?
What?
That's pissed me off.
Everybody gotta eat,
That
bro.
pissed me off.
They gotta eat.
I just watched your ad.
Yeah.
That's a view.
It's an ad.
You get paid for thousands of views. How many views does that fucking video have?
3,000.
That's actually pissed me off. That's actually made me so angry.
Why?
Why are you plugging your shit?
Because, okay, let's look at the website real quick. Because, like,
I've just been told to go get 20 minutes of outside, and then you're going to tell me to go look at your website.
I kind of hear it. You know.
Why?
I kind of hear it.
From watching your ad, maybe I will. Now you've told me to, I don't want to. 8 ways to get your daily dose of nature. Brother, I know how to get daily dose of nature. Go outside.
I hear it. So, like, yeah, you just did like an hour, a minute, 10 seconds telling people go outside, like, turn the laptop off. And then the next thing you say is, go to our website, guys, tap in, like and subscribe.
I hate it.
Yeah, me too, actually.
WWF. Fuck you. No, I'm sorry. Don't cut that out. But I don't hate your ad.
Connor hates nature.
I don't like it.
We'll see you tomorrow. Peace.
What? No, what? No.